singing. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama.
Hey guys, it's me, Grace.
And Brooke.
Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss a post.
In today's video,
we are going
to Saskatchewan.
Guys, good morning. It is 5:30. I'm honestly not as tired as I was when we woke up at like 5 o'clock to go to Saskatchewan for Christmas. But I just gotta do my last minute packing, pack my electronics, pack the camera and the chargers and stuff like that. And that's basically all I have to do this morning. Alrighty, so we just dropped off our dog at our grandparents' house, and it is 7:42 in the morning. We left our house at around 6:30. I'm just I downloaded some shows on Netflix so me and Grace can watch them because why not?
Pass the time.
Yes, and right now we are going to
McDonald's.
Mickey D's
To get a smoothie.
smoothie.
If you guys haven't tried them, they are really good.
Strawberry, mango, pineapple.
Yeah.
Definitely try that. No free brand deals. Nothing's coming out. It's stuck. There we go.
We got the goods.
We got the goods. I've never heard that before.
Really?
Yeah. We got the goods, guys.
Finished at the gas station, and I got these dairy milk stuff, and it has a lot of things in there. Ignore this pillow here, that's mine. What did you get, Brooke?
Beef jerky. And then
else?
malt. Oof. I look really dark. Okay, the lighting's good. Okay. Beef jerky. And then Maltesers, which are in the cooler, so. So we just went to McDonald's for lunch. I got my usual 6-piece chicken nugget meal. And I'm really weird. I mix the root beer and the Coca-Cola together. Don't know why, but I just do.
And I got a hamburger and some iced tea and a medium fry.
Yeah. We have...
Oh, we're in Swift Current right now, and it's 1:24.
So we are halfway there.
We have 5 more hours.
5 more hours. Oh my goodness. This 5 hours did go by pretty quick for me.
It went by somewhat fast.
Oh, well, yeah. So yay, we have 5 more hours. We're gonna get there at around 6 or 7 maybe. It depends on how many more other stops we do, so yeah.
Okay, so we just stopped at Subway and I got a 6-inch sub, and Brooke didn't get anything.
Nope. We did before Subway stop to go see
Our
great grandma.
we didn't want to vlog it because we wanted to spend time.
Yeah, because it's just like, okay, guys. So we are like, what, like
10 minutes away.
no, I would say like 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes, something like that away. Not that far. So
We're super excited.
and it is time check. What?
7:27.
My phone still hasn't changed, but yeah, okay. So it's 7:27. I haven't had dinner yet, so when I get there, my grandma made lasagna, so that's what I'm gonna have. She already had dinner, as you know.
Me and Jordan, there's Jordan over there. We are riding our bikes to the golf course to like go to the river to see like spots to take pictures and stuff. And there's a car behind us.
I want to get bitten by a wood tick.
Yeah, because there's a bunch of grass and then, so yeah, we're just finding spots to take pictures. So this will be an adventure. Alrighty, so instead, that way's not working. So we found a different way to get down because there's an actual pathway. You were just going to go through a bunch of bushes, well, long grass and stuff like that. So we're going back up in a different way. So we were walking down this trail. We didn't realize how muddy it was and sandy it was. So our shoes, I have white shoes, and they're super muddy. And so here are my shoes. This is the bottom of it. It's gross, so I'm just gonna walk through this water. And hopefully they'll clean them off somewhat. Might have taken kind of an unsafe way because there's this bridge and we're not sure if it's safe or not because there's kind of a little gap in between. So we were like, okay, well, we're gonna go climb all the way back up, which took us probably 10 minutes to climb all the way down. And then it's super muddy and my shoes are gonna get even more muddy. And then, oh my god, okay.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is July 1st and it's a Saturday and it's 11:26 in the morning and I got finished getting ready. Later today we're going to be seeing fireworks because today is Canada Day. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, there's Brooke.
Hi.
So we're going to be vlogging today and
We might go see some fireworks tonight.
I already said that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys later.
Okay, so we just checked the weather and we have a weather advisory, which means
There could be a tornado. Well,
Yeah.
it's supposed to say not a big tornado,
Like,
but
just a funnel.
There's supposed to be a funnel.
because
and
we're
it might-
surrounded
it might
by
form a tornado.
thunderstorms,
Yeah.
and they're really dark. So there's one of them, but you can't really see, and then there's some over there, which you can't really see and stuff. But you know what? It's fine. It's all good. Well, on the weather app, it said like 90-kilometer-hour wind and large hail. Yeah. And
Yeah,
then
it goes all the way across.
goes all the way around. You kind of can't really see it from the other side, but that's a pretty good view.
It's surrounding us.
Yeah. Let's go get donuts, and now it is hailing. No, I didn't see that
Oh,
flash.
sorry, that was just a good light.
It's really hailing now, and it
got
wasn't even
donuts.
hailing like 10 minutes ago.
So right now it is 8:26 and we're playing Monopoly with obviously Brooke and Jordan, and later at around 9 we're leaving to go see fireworks.
Yes, and also, yeah, we're just playing Monopoly to pass time.
Yeah.
Because we have like an hour, so we're leaving. So.
Yeah, and we will vlog.
Sorry. She was laying on top of me.
Okay, guys, so we made it to the spot, and we're just doing gymnastics, and
welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss a post.